Are letters testamentary public record? Have you ever wondered what happens to a person's estate after they pass away? One important part of that process involves something called letters testamentary. These documents play a vital role in estate planning and the probate process. But are they public records? Let's break it down. Letters testamentary are official documents issued by a probate court. They grant authority to the executor, named in a will, to manage the deceased person's estate. This means the executor has been legally approved to handle all matters related to the estate. Now, when we talk about the probate process, it is important to note that this is a public legal procedure. It oversees how a deceased person's assets are distributed, whether according to their will or state law if no will exists. Because probate is court-supervised, the documents involved, including letters testamentary, are generally considered public records. This means that anyone can access these documents through the probate court, following local rules and procedures. The public nature of letters testamentary ensures transparency in how estates are managed. It also confirms that the executor has the legal authority to act on behalf of the estate. However, not all documents related to the estate are public. Some sensitive information, like detailed inventories or financial accountings, may be kept confidential. Access to these documents could be limited to the executor or certain interested parties, depending on local laws. But the letters testamentary themselves are usually available for public inspection. So, what can an executor do with these letters testamentary? They can access and manage the deceased bank accounts and assets. They can also transfer or sell property owned by the estate, pay any debts or taxes owed, and distribute assets to beneficiaries as outlined in the will. The ability to perform these tasks is essential, especially when dealing with banks, government agencies, and heirs. The public availability of letters testamentary helps verify the executor's authority to act, ensuring everything is above board. In summary, letters testamentary are indeed public records issued by the probate court. They confirm the executor's authority to manage an estate, supporting transparency and accountability in the probate process. This allows the executor to fulfill their responsibilities effectively while ensuring that the estate is handled properly.